Contemporary art, exploring the present and beyond. Contemporary art refers to the art being created today, reflecting the ever-evolving world and the diverse perspectives of the artists of the 21st century. It builds upon the innovations of modern art, but moves beyond traditional boundaries to explore new themes, mediums, and ideas. Contemporary artists often address social, political, and cultural issues using diverse materials and techniques, from digital art and installations to performance and interactive works. Artists like Yayoi Kusama, Banksy, and Ai Weiwei have pushed the limits of what art can be, challenging conventional definitions and exploring the impact of technology, globalization, and identity. Contemporary art embraces experimentation, diversity, and the blending of different styles, encouraging viewers to reflect on the complexities of the modern world. It invites dialogue, questioning, and a deeper engagement with art that is both reflective of and in conversation with today's realities. Contemporary art continues to evolve, urging us to explore new perspectives and think critically about our shared experiences in a rapidly changing world.